Molecular weight of the polymer is prime property because it determines many physical properties. The distribution depends on the way the polymer is produced. Hence, for polymers, one can calculate the average molecular weights. There are many ways to calculate average molecular weight. Number average molecular weight and weight average molecular weight are two prominent methods. In number average molecular weight method, molecular weight is the total weight of the polymer divided by the number of polymer molecule. If we consider Ni be the number of polymers with molecular weight Mi, the total weight is equal to summation of Ni Mi. Total number of polymers is nothing but the summation of number of polymers. The number average molecular weight is equal to total weight divided by total number of polymers.
The second method for determination of molecular weight is weight average molecular weight. The number of polymers is Ni. The molecular weight of polymer is Mi. The total weight of polymer is equal to summation of Ni Mi. To derive weight average molecular weight, the total number of polymers Ni in the number average molecular weight is replaced with weight of the polymer. The number average molecular weight is equal to summation of Ni Mi divided by summation of total number of polymers. In this equation, Mi is added to covert number average into weight average. Therefore, the weight average molecular weight is equal to summation of Ni Mi squared divided by summation of Ni Mi.
Please subscribe this channel and press bell icon for notification of new videos.